Hey folks, we got a two-owner 2014 Nissan Frontier Crew SL Pack 4x4 4-liter standard bed, Fosgate sound, trailer tow, loaded up, factory sunroof, heated leather seats, power seats. Folks, did you see this truck? There's not a speck of rust on it, not anywhere. It's sitting on 4 brand new Bridgestone tires. It has been serviced and safety inspected, and it's ready for the open road. This is one of the nicest ones we've had come across here in a while, folks. There is no wear and tear on it. There's no abuse. The truck has just been loved and used. And we got it now. Starting down payment on this Frontier is $995 starting down. GasCleveland.com.